Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your profile picture on Crunchyroll. To change your profile picture on Crunchyroll, first of all, open up the Crunchyroll application and log into your account. After you're in the home page, tap the account button at the bottom right corner. Within the Accounts tab, tap the pencil icon right underneath your current avatar. Now click on the pencil button once again. And from the Edit Avatar section, select a new avatar you'd like to change to. After making a selection, click on Done at the top right. Now save the changes by tapping Save on the next page at the bottom. And that way, you should be able to change your profile avatar or your profile picture on your Crunchyroll account. And there you have it. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Crunchyroll tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thanks for watching.